Hello again, this is Sterling Perry with CentMedia.com. Just wanted to show you around the back of your website. You have a Joomla content management system. What's great about this is it allows you to manage a very complex, very content-driven website. You don't have to worry about any HTML coding or any special characters or anything like that. It kind of manages all of your content for you. So just a peek around this top menu right here. You have site menus, content, components, which are extensions to your website. This allows you to manage these extensions, and then you have tools. What we're going to mainly focus on in this video is the menus and content. On your website, your menu manager functions as the main, I guess, the hierarchy of all of your. This shows you all of your menus on your website. Same way as this drop down right here. This menu right here with the asterisk, that's your main menu. This is the menu that you have that goes across the top of your screen. Hit the preview button so I can show you what that looks like. You should already know. Previews of your top menu going across, and this controls how everything functions. So on your top menu, you have your About Us tab, and you have the corresponding drop downs. Your How We Can Help tab and your corresponding drop downs. And this is actually not showing everything. We can just set a display to all, and that will allow us to see all of our menu options that we have available to us. Let's say you wanted to make a new menu item. Simply press the green button that says New. Let's say that we wanted to add a link to an article, or a link to a section of the website, or just a completely new web page. We would click on Articles. Article is synonymous with a web page. So anytime you see the word article, think of a web page. So let's say if we just wanted a single page layout, if you clicked on this menu item and you just wanted to display a single web page, we would just click the article layout. And as you can see in the pop-up box, it says the article layout displays a single article. And so let's click there, and let's give our menu a name, and let's just call this well, the best way to do it is to look at to select your article first. And so we have a few articles already, and let's just go to our Speak Now, Act Now. Okay, and so what we're doing, we're adding a new menu button, and we don't have to worry about our parent item. Your parent item would go, let's say if you wanted to make the Speak Now, Act Now a drop down under the events section. This is what we would highlight, events, and that will be the parent item. And so by us selecting Speak Now, Act Now, we could have this menu item under as a drop down under the events section. And so we would simply just click Save, and go back up to the front end of our website, refresh our screen, Okay, and now you see that drop down right there that says speak now, act now, and when you click on that, it takes you to that single web page right there. So that's how you would add a menu link. Now let's talk about content. Okay, if you click on your article manager, your article manager is, like I said before, synonymous with web pages. So essentially, these are all pages on your website. Um, and so in this article manager is where you would manage all of these pages. You could publish them, you can unpublish them, you can put them on the front page, which is the home page of your website, or you can take them off simply by either selecting yes or no. And this would, in this case, the Urban League of Hampton Roads, we put that on the front page, and we can just select that and take it off. Okay, we can select items, put them in the trash, and we also can edit. To edit, you would just simply click on a article and you can edit the article from there. So if you were to pull an article up, it would display much like you have in Microsoft Word. You're familiar with this toolbar here. It has a lot of the same buttons that we're used to seeing when we're working in Microsoft Word or working with the Office document. Which is good about this is you have this button right here where you can paste from Word, and that's what we did with this. We had a document in Word and we just simply pasted it in here, and that's how you can sort of edit the article. I'm just going to close this out and select new. Okay, just to walk you through, if you want to set up a new web page of some sort, or if you wanted to add an event and that you had a flyer for her, or if you just want to add some content and you wanted to add a picture around that content, the easiest way to do it is to simply go to a Word document. In this case, we're going to go to the National Urban League and just get some information from there. Let's look at this press release from the Company Power 100, and let's just take this info as it is right here, select it, copy it. Okay, we're going to go back to our article right here, and we're just going to paste this in just as it is. Going to insert right there. Now notice how they had this read more link right here. Let's go ahead and put the same thing on ours. Okay, so to do that, you just put the read more button right here. It says read more. So let's go back up. Let's click on read more, and let's see where that left off. The last word on that was radio show. So we're just going to get the rest of this information. And sorry about that. And paste that in right there. Okay, going back, this is called Ebony Power 100. So I mean, we don't even have to type that in if we don't want to. we can just put that in. And where this says section and category, a section is essentially a section of your website. So we're going to drop this in the news section since it is a press release, and we're just going to put in the news flash since it is a press release. And now let's go back because I saw a picture that we could put in there, and we're just going to save this image as DS, save it as it is so we know what it is. And going back to the back end of our website, we're going to click this button that says Insert Edit Image. Insert Edit Image. It's a picture of a tree. Okay. So we're just going to click that button. And on the right, we have a button that says Upload. Okay. So we're just going to press that Upload button, and we're going to press Add. And there we have our image, and we're just going to upload it. Now we can change the name of it. Oh, you know, if you want to name it something else, we could have, you know, whatever we need to Ebony Power 100. So we're just going to double click on this image and press Insert. The beauty is that we can move this wherever we need to. Okay, so let's put the image. Let's put our cursor right here. Let's go back to our image. Okay. And where it says preview right here, let's select left alignment because we want the text wrap around. And for margins, let's just push it out some on the right and on the bottom. Okay, equal values all the way around, and so that looks good for us. We're going to go ahead and press Insert, and there we're going to have that press release of the Ebony Power 100. Okay, and so we can select preview from right here, and this is how it's going to look. That's just a preview, so let's select Apply. Okay, so we know it's saved under categories, and it's so let's go to the news and open this section, and here that we see our Ebony Power 100, and we have a read more link. And there we have it. So that goes walking through the front and back end of your menus and adding content to your website. Thanks. If you have any questions, you can go to thescentmedia.com or go to the center located on this website.